Good day to everyone. I'm Jovi. In this video, I am going to discuss the process of Java database connectivity using Eclipse. Look what is JDBC or database connectivity. Okay, JDBC or Java database connectivity is a Java API to connect and execute the query with the database. It is a standard specification from Sun Microsystems that provides a standard abstraction, API or protocols for Java applications to communicate with the various databases. It provides the language with Java database connectivity standards. It is used to write programs required to access databases. JDBC, along with the database driver, can access databases and spreadsheets. And the enterprise data stored in a relational database can be accessed with the help of JDBC API. So JDBC is an API, meaning its API stands for Application Programming Interface, using Java programming to interact with databases. The class and interfaces of JDBC allow the application to send requests made by users to the specified database. These are the components of JDBC. The first one is Java Database Connectivity API. So this one provides various methods and interfaces for easy communication with the database. It provides two packages as follows, which contain Java SE. When I say Java SE, that is the standard edition. Ito yung ginagamit natin, the Java SE. And the Java EE platforms. When I say Java EE Enterprise Edition, to exhibit WORA, write once, run anywhere capabilities. So we're using here Java SQL. It also provides standard to connect a database to a client application. And the next one is the JDBC Driver Manager. The JDBC Driver Manager loads a database-specific driver in an application to establish a connection with the database. So, si JDBC Driver Manager, it serves as a bridge. Si Java application, i-connect niya kay database. That's the purpose of JDBC Driver Manager. It is used to make a database-specific call to the database to process the user's requests. And then next, JDBC Test Suite. So this is used to test the operations such as insertions, deletions, updations being performed by JDBC drivers. Ito na tawag nating yung fruit, yung creation, deletion, insertion, and updation. Okay, and lastly, the JDBC ODBC bridge drivers. It connects database drivers to database. This bridge translates the JDBC method call to the ODBC function call. It makes use of sun.jdbc.odbc package, which includes a native library to access ODBC characteristics. Okay, to create a new project in Java, I will be using the Eclipse IDE, though marami tayong mga editor, but I prefer to use Eclipse IDE. Okay, you just click your icon, and then this one will pop out, the Eclipse IDE launcher. What you're going to do, guys, is to click browse. Ibig sabihin nito, where do you want to store the project that you are about to create? So, ibig sabihin nito, dito siya ma-store. So, sa users, the Vera documents, then there is a JDBC folder. So, the next thing to do is to click launch. So, yan lang. We wait for a moment. Yan, still loading. Okay, yan. There you go. Okay. Maybe you can see here, guys, meron na kasi akong mga ginawa.
mga ginawa ko dati kaya nakaload yan. So, how to create a new Java project? You just click File and then New. And, or the shortcut key is Alt plus Shift plus N and then select Java project. So, this one will pop out the new Java project. What you're going to do is to type or encode the project name. So I will be using this as my project name, JDBC demo. Ayan, JDBC demo. Okay. And then dito, no need to create a module kasi one file lang. And then you click this one. Pwede namang next or directly i-finish natin kasi wala naman na tayong gagalawin dito. Then click this one. There you go. Ito na siya. Okay? So I have here the project named JDBC demo. Okay, I am going to demonstrate how to download the driver that we are going to use. Dito, let's type mbn repository. Then we choose this one, the Maven repository. Punta tayo dito guys. And then here, sa search box, type natin Java connector. So, and then let's search. Okay, so we will be choosing the MySQL Java connector. You go here. As you can see guys, ang daming version dito. Ayan, mayroon mga. But, ang kailangan nating matandaan and need to understand that we are going to pick or select the driver and the driver that is zero vulnerability. So, Eto, no, 2022, pinakamaraming gumamit. Ibig sabihin, maraming nag-download na, maraming gumamit. The latest version sa 2023 ay this one. So, eto na lang piliin natin. So, marami din naman gumamit, 307. So, 8.3 version, 8.0.30. Okay, you just click the version. And then here we go. Tignan niyo siya. License. So, it category. So, what it is, a JDBC driver. So, pwede daw siya. Okay. Ayan, nandito siya. So, what do we need here, guys, is the files. Anong files ang gagamitin natin is the jar. The jar file. So, what you're going to do is to click this one. On my part kasi, na-download ka na. So, click nyo lang. And then, magda-download siya. Tapos, once you are done downloading, eto siya. Pag na-click nyo siya, I'll just show you guys yung na-download ko na. Nandito siya sa aking downloads. Eto. Yan ang mada-download nyo. Okay? Okay, the next thing to do is to drag and drop the driver that I downloaded a while ago. So as you can see, the JDBC demo project is now selected. So what we are going to do is select the driver and then drag and drop it here inside this folder. Yan, dyan. The-drop lang natin siya. Yan. So this one will pop out, the file option. So select how the files should be imported into the project. Copy files lang tayo, then click OK. There you go. Later on, makikita nyo. Yan, nandito na yung ating connector. So, gagana na ba to? No, there is a next thing that we are going to do. Isi-set natin yung kanyang path. Okay, isi-set na natin yung path ng ating driver. So, you need to select, guys, this one, the JDBC demo project. You right-click, yan. So, right-click, then select properties, yan. Tagalan natin ng konti, huwag nating bilisan. So, once you are here, kasi nandiyan na siya, syempre, select natin itong Java build path. Halimbawa, nakaganyan siya, select Java build path. Tapos, select libraries. And then sa libraries, under library, so galing tayo from Java build path, and then the libraries tab, and then select natin yung class path. Okay. So, pag na-select ang class path, itong class path, yan kasi siya, dapat mag-enable class path. Yan. Yan. Select yung class path, nag-enable na, right? So, click natin yung add jars. So, the add jar selection will pop out, and then here, nakikita nyo to, yan. click nyo lang itong nakakollapse na to, and then select MySQL connector. Yun yung 8.0.30 jar. Click OK, and then then apply and close. Okay, there you go. Okay na siya. To create a class here in Java, dito tayo sa SRC. So you right-click this, and then new, and then select class. So eto ha, right-click SRC, click new, and then select class. So click ko na siya, and then there you go. So I will be typing the name for this demonstration. I will name my class as main. Yan. And then as you can see, the parent of all class is the object. Kaya nakalagay dito java.lang is that's the super class. So wala tayong interface. So that this public static void main will generate, pwede natin yang i-tick. So click mo to. Sige. Yan. And then you click the button finish. There you go. So ayan na siya. Okay? So this is the process and how you are going to create a class. Nalobat na ako. Okay, to continue, so I will be typing a message. Hello, Java programming. So let's take a look. So to increase the size, Control Shift plus, yan, para makita ninyo guys. And then, so let's try. So here guys, para mag-autocomplete siya, sys out, yan, sys out kung system.out.println, and then you press Control and space sa keyboard. So, control, hit natin ang select. Sulat ko dito, control plus space, CTRL plus yung space bar. Yan. So, space bar. Pag hit natin yan, mag-auto ano siya. Parang auto-complete. Ita-type na. There you go. I press control plus space bar and then just type here the message that you want to appear, the string literal. Let's say, hello, Java programming. Yan. Hello, Java programming. Okay. So to run to run the program, ganito lang. There is a button here. Ito pinakamadali. Yan, run main. Click nyo lang yan and then click OK. There you go. Ito na yung console niya. Here is the output. I am going to modify hello Java programming. And then grade 11 Acacia. Grade 11 Acacia. Ayan. So, ang spelling pa. So, pwede rin dito. You go here. You select this one. Right click. And then run as. And then run one Java application. There you go. So, click OK. Yon. Same process. So, pwede kayo dito. You can click this button or you may right click and then select run as the name of the class. Okay? Okay, so let's create the connection. There are a few things to remember bago tayo mag-connect. Number one, kailangan naka-turn on to, naka-start to, then start. Yan, Apache and MySQL sa ating SAM. Then, look, the port number of the MySQL is 3306. We are going to use that later on. Next, dito, if you're going to check, okay na siya, we can now access our local host. When you type local host here in your web browser's address, dapat mag-load yung phpMyAdmin. So let's type localhost. Yan, there you go. Okay, we wait for a moment. The connection is not that okay. Sa computer ko to eh. Tayin lang natin. Ang bagal niya mag-load. Naka-start naman na. So let's check kung naka-start. Yes, there you go. Naka-start na siya. Okay, let's go back na dito. Yan, lagay lang natin dito. So, string, the name of my connection is, this is a variable, my con is equals to, then, ayan. And then, whatever is here, the driver. So, the driver is JDBC, and then the database is MySQL, and then colon to access the PHP My Admin. We're using localhost, yan, localhost. And then HST colon, the port is 3306, 3306, ayan. And then, the port yan, yung localhost, port is 3306. The database name is gdbc underscore db, yan siya. Then next thing, dito, lagay tayo, assign tayo dito, string. For username, gawin tong uname. Uname is equal to, by default, upon installing the XAMPP server, the username is root kasi we did not yet configure it or modify it. So, string, and then, gamit naman tayo ng keyword na variable, and then, syempre, by default, walang naka-blank lang yan. Kasi siniset yan. Kapag gusto mong lagyan ng username at password, gustong baguhin, you need to configure it. Okay. Connection. Yan. So, connection. Okay. Nag-open, nagkamali. So, my connection. This is connection. My connection. This is an identifier or variable. This one will depend on you kung ano yung gusto mong gamitin. Next, driver manager rather, that. Okay, so meron tayo ditong tatlo. Overloaded method, right? O, ayun, no? Tignan mo. Hanapin nyo to yung ganito. Yan. Overloaded method siya. Hit the enter key. And then, sa dulo, yan, in-import na niya. Once na, ini-import na niya yung kailangan. Import na sa taas. And then, may kulang pa siya dito. Ito, si Mycon. Okay, pag hover natin dito, dapat mag-i-import ito. Lang, magulo yung mouse ko. Kasi automatic to, hindi na natin kailangan i-type. Although pwede namang i-type, ayan o, import connection. Yeah, there you go. So, ayan na siya. Okay? Connection. Yan. So, connection. Okay. Nag-open, nagkamali. So, my connection. This is connection. My connection. This is an identifier or variable. This one will depend on you kung ano yung gusto mong gamitin. Next, driver manager rather, that. Okay, so meron tayo ditong tatlo. Overloaded method, right? O, ayun, no? Tignan mo. Hanapin nyo to yung ganito. Yan. Overloaded method siya. Hit the enter key. And then, sa dulo, yan, in-import na niya. Once na, ini-import na niya yung kailangan. Import na sa taas. And then, may kulang pa siya dito. Ito, si Mycon. Okay, pag hover natin dito, dapat mag-i-import ito. Lang, magulo yung mouse ko. Kasi automatic to, hindi na natin kailangan i-type. Although pwede namang i-type, ayan o, import connection. Yeah, there you go. So, ayan na siya. Okay? Okay, so continue natin. We're going to put try and catch dito. Yan. So, try, open, dito. And then, i-catch natin. Catch. Try and catch, CH. And then, ito, exception. Exception. Exception, E. And then, open curly brace ulit para i-tapon natin. Okay, dito natin ilalagay. Ilalagay natin E.print stock dito. Kasi why E.print stock? Sobra na. Wait lang. Check natin. May sumobra ako. Sobra na isa. End of try. So, lagay ko lang dito. End of try. End of try catch. End of try catch statement para hindi tayo magkaroon ng error. And then dito, kung ano yung variable na ginamit nyo dito, the identifier na inassign nyo. So, E, then dot. So, the IntelliSense will pop up. Then T, yan, print stack trace. Yan, ito. Yan, yan. Print stack trace. Yan siya. Okay, hit the enter key. Next. Ito, lagay natin yan dito. Yan. natin, ika-cut natin yan. Sige, copy ko na lang muna. I-cut natin. Ayaw mo, hindi ko makita yung nasa taas. Ayun, cut. And then, lagay natin siya dito. Yan, syempre dito, di ba? Okay. This one will be executed. Anong mangyayari pag na-execute ito? And then dito, okay, if not, itong what will happen? So, lagay tayo dito. Sys out, and then press control space bar. Ayan. Tapos lagay natin the database is successfully connected. So, message lang to para ibig sabihin kung okay ang lahat. This one, pag okay to, i-check ng compiler, this one will appear. If not, ito ang mag-execute. Okay? Sige. Run natin. Run. Yan. Meron tayo. Main 14. Yan. Duplicate variable mycon. So, titingnan natin na duplicate daw yung variable na mycon. The method connection, string in the driver. Okay, let's see. Yan. Keyword. Okay. Okay. Hindi pwede to. Kasi ginamit ko na doon. Tama, right? So, dapat dito, connection na lang. Connection. See? Lalabas niya error. Try natin. Let's see kung magra-run na siya. There you go. The database is successfully connected. So, if ever you encounter error, ang gagawin niyo lang, guys, is to uh, read the comments and then you are going to check the error. So, gan lang successfully connected na siya kasi ito nag-appear. Let's say, for example, let's put some error. Nagkamali tayo dito. Ito, ginawa natin 3309. Let's say 3309. Okay. So, let's see what will happen. Say, maglalagay tayo ng error so that every time you encounter it, ayan, iyon, kaya nga ito na i-execute niya. Yan. The stack trace, yung mga errors dito. Yan, ayan. Sabi niya, um, socket, connect, native socket. Yung socket niya kasi hindi yun ang nakalagay sa some server. Kaya yun. Kaya ang dami niyang error na lumabas. Okay? So, communication link failure. So, ibig sabihin nitong try catch, if this one is okay, this one will be executed. Pag check niya ito at hindi hindi okay yan, ito, i-display niya yung mga error. Okay? Going back, 3306, right? Save natin. And then, yan. Yan. Okay. So, the database rather is successfully connected na siya. Okay, here is the complete source code. As you can see, we did not type the line 1 and line 2 statement. The editor will automatically insert it for us kasi nade-detect niya na ito yung needed because of the source code that we type. So, starting from line 1 and then here, ito yung ating comments, ano yung content ng URL natin. Meron lang akong i-correct, no? So, dapat ito small. So, small letter dapat to. Q and malaki yung N. Of course, this one will not work kapag hindi natin pinalitan dito. Mag-i-error yan. Tingnan nyo, run natin. Dapat palitan kasi natin to. Kailangan nagtutugma. Nag-red na siya. So, run ko lang para makita nyo. Pero later, papalitan natin. Let's see what will be the remarks. Okay? Yan. Gustong-gusto natin may error. Para every time na ma-encounter, uname ko yan. Kaya nga, the reason why the uname here is not, it must be exactly the same. So, copy na natin to. Yan. Yan. Okay? So, I hope you can do your activity after watching this. Asa na si paste? Yan. Save ulit natin and then run natin. There you go. Database is successfully connected. So, ayan sa dulo. Yan. On your part, guys, pakigaya na lang to. Sa activity natin, you just put a comment so that it would be easier for you to determine, ito, sumobra pala ako. The end of the try catch, end of main method, and end class. Lagyan lang natin ng line, comment. Okay?
Shout out to my grade 11 Acacia students. If you were able to accomplish the activity by watching this or learn something, please consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this. By subscribing, you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video so you won't miss a thing. Also, don't forget to hit the like button if you find this video helpful or entertaining. Your support means a lot to me, and it helps my channel reach more people. Finally, if you know more someone who would enjoy this video, please consider sharing it with them. I really do appreciate your help in spreading the word about my channel. Thank you so much for watching and see ya.